Welcome to my Texas kitchen. I'm Susan Apple, and today I'm making a kale salad. This is my favorite salad bowl here. This is what we have our salad in every night. For y'all, I'm gonna make it in this little clear bowl so you can see it. So, as you saw earlier, I chopped up all this kale and washed it, and it's been storing in the refrigerator. And I like this kale because it can keep for I like 4 days, 5 days. And then even after the salad is mixed, I can put the leftovers in the refrigerator and have them tomorrow for lunch. So I love that. I never have to throw out. So these are the little prepared beets. I cooked them earlier in the oven. I cooked them at 400, and so they're ready. 400 degrees for like an hour and a half. And I peeled them and diced them. And I've got my pepper, and I have a little bit of feta cheese. Not too much, but just a little bit is good. Adds a little bit of color too, and another flavor. And then this is my homemade dressing that I made earlier, which is delicious in here. I like to put a little bit, not too much, and I'll toss it. So it's just super easy to make. We have the salad almost every night, and then I have the leftovers, like I said, the next day. And one thing I like to do when I toss the salad is really better if it marinates for a little bit. So I try to toss it at least an hour before we're gonna eat it, because it softens up that kale. Okay, so there you go. Doesn't it look delicious? And that's all that's in it. Now I like to have a little avocado on the side. So I was gonna show you one of my very favorite kitchen gadgets, this avocado slicer. And some of y'all, I'm sure, have those. I was reluctant to buy it because there's so many gadgets, and sometimes you get them and it's not really what you thought it was going to be, and they just end up in a drawer. But this one is really good. Apparently, so it just goes around here. This avocado is a teeny bit firm, but it's good. Apparently, there's a lot of visits to the emergency room because people put avocados in their hand and they start cutting, and they cut right through to their hand. So I think this is a great gadget to avoid that. So anyway, then I'm gonna dice this up, but I like to put the avocado on the side because then tomorrow this will turn brown, and then I can just put a little bit on the side, and it just keeps fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna taste just a little bit of it. Okay, and I'll put a little bite of avocado in there, and that's about it. Let's see how good that tastes. I really like the beets too. That's very good. So I'm doing the videos because I've been cooking for years, and I have a home ec degree from TCU. So I'm just sharing my tips with the modern cooks, and I hope you all like them, and like my station the channel, and subscribe, and that would be great. And I'll be sharing recipes every week. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day.